Hello, my name is Gloria Chang, and I believe to end one-party rule that isn't working begins at the local level, and that is why I am running for Maryland delegate from Legislative District 39. I'm running because Maryland under the present administration is a microcosm of the Obama administration with an increasing deficit of over $421 million. Lieutenant Governor Brown's Maryland Healthcare Exchange is a debacle costing taxpayers over $125 million and has been recently scrapped, and an additional $90 million was spent on a new Connecticut system. Our tax rates for corporate taxes, personal taxes, and pension taxes, property taxes, and gas taxes are some of the highest in the nation. In addition, Maryland has imposed nuisance taxes called the rain tax and the bag tax that is very unpopular. Because of the high tax rates, businesses, jobs, and people are moving out of Maryland to such states as Virginia, Texas, Florida, where there is lower or no corporate taxes and or no personal income tax. Maryland has a vicious cycle of tax and spend that has ruined the economy, and if not changed, will impact on the future of our children and our grandchildren. I am the first generation Asian American born in Princeton, New Jersey. I'm a single mother, raised two sons, and have 5 grandchildren. Graduated from the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy. I am temporarily retired but have been a professional working woman, both at the FDA and in the private sector for over 30 years. I have held positions as a regulatory scientist, pharmacist, and an associate director of global regulatory and scientific affairs at a major pharmaceutical company. I'm a resident in Maryland for over 40 years. My platform is I will walk the talk. The talk is to bring businesses, jobs, and revenue back to Maryland and to improve education to make our students more competitive in both the U.S. and global market. Examples of the walk are attract businesses to Maryland by lowering corporate taxes and getting rid of excessive regulations and fees that stifle and impede business incentives, innovation, and growth. Allow and encourage more energy development, for example, drilling for shale oil, fracking, more natural gas drilling, and exportation of liquefied gas and oil to create new jobs, lower fuel costs, and add to the revenue while lessening our reliance on foreign energy sources. Lower taxes and eventually eliminate personal income and pension taxes, lower property taxes, gas taxes, and get rid of the bag tax and the rain tax. Fix critical infrastructure problems like overcrowded schools, roads, bridges, and existing mass transit before starting on new expensive projects like the Purple Line. Improve our global educational ranking. We are in the 26th to 31st percentile in the world, while opting out of or delaying the implementation of Common Core that isn't working in Maryland. Provide incentive for businesses to hire students by creating a lower than minimum wage for students for summer, holiday, and part-time work, or for vocational apprenticeships and trainee programs. Voters in District 39, why vote for me? I have the working skills, ability, and ability to develop laws and regulations. Lastly, because I have the passion, ability, and caring for all of my constituents, regardless of their demographics, to help bring more businesses, jobs, and revenue to Maryland, and ability to find creative ways of improving education. Thank you, and God bless.